everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So a bit of a different setup and a bit of a weird time, but I'm actually at my nan's house right now. For those of you that didn't know, I actually stored some of my uni stuff at my nan's house once I come back from uni in May, end of May. Because my nan has quite a lot of spare rooms, so she didn't mind like holding some of my uni stuff, because otherwise my room at home would literally be cluttered. It's so messy already, so if I had all this stuff in there I wouldn't be able to move or even live in that room. So yeah, a lot of stuff here is at my nan's for uni, so I'm just about to sort through it all because me, Hattie and Megan are going up to our house on Tuesday. I'm just going to sort through all my stuff here and probably show you guys as I go along, let you guys know what I'm taking back now, what I won't need. We all thought it would be easier if we went and took some stuff down beforehand. Megan's going to be driving me and her, and we're going to fill up her car with loads of stuff. We're going to take the duvets, like big things, like lots of kitchen stuff that we won't actually need to use at home, so obviously it won't like affect our usual lives. Stuff, I've got loads of bits and bobs. I've got some like clothes, some decor, loads of kitchen bits and bobs. So yeah, I'm just gonna tell you guys what I've got as I go through, because it might give you guys a bit of inspiration on what you need to buy for uni if you haven't got stuff already. And yeah, I don't know, I just hope this is somewhat helpful, I guess. These are definitely things I can take back. Sophie's here, by the way. Do you want to say hi?
Hello.
She's as I go, but yeah, I think this will be a good idea to take back. I've got two bins, this rose gold one that's like see-through, which is more like a paper. I'll probably take this for my room, and then I have this bin, which I used in my bathroom last year. This really basic bin that I got from IKEA, and then this one was from B&M, and I actually saw that they're still doing these. So if anyone wants to go pick one of these cute rose gold paper bins up, you can go there. But yeah, I'm taking those two, I think, with me in the car. Might possibly be taking this as well, because it's just like a nice little storage thing that I kept like my skincare and bits in, so I think I might be taking that with me, because I'm obviously not using it. Like most of the stuff here I won't be using at home because it's stayed in my nan's room for 3 months. Oh, this jacket, yes to the yes. It's my mustard faux leather jacket from Misguided. Obviously I haven't been wearing it because it's been super hot, so I'll be taking this back to uni because it's going to be so cold by the time we go back. What else have we got here? Some random bits of paper. Oh my god, this water has been in here. Oh god, this is grim. Yes, I'm going to take like all my duvet and stuff up. I don't have a duvet set yet, so that's an issue, but yeah. Also going to take this toaster because I don't think we have one at our new house. I don't think it's like provided within our property, so I'm going to take up this toaster that Aiden's mum kindly gave me to take to Halls last year. So yeah, I've got a little toaster. You alright? Got a lot of I've noticed I've got a lot of my winter shoes. I've just packed some of my kitchen stuff that I found. I've got a couple of bowls, a few like smaller and larger plates there. They're all bubble wrapped, some glasses, a little tumbler thing, and then I've just found loads of well, not loads, but quite a few bin bags, which are obviously going to come in handy for the kitchen. What else have I picked up? Oh yeah, found some winter boots that obviously I haven't been wearing because it's been super warm, so probably take those down because it won't be like, I won't really need them. I'll use like my trainers and stuff. Chopping board, that can go in there. That'll definitely still come in useful for a variety of things. We've got loads of other bits and bobs here. I've got amazing lights that I got sent from this company last year, and they're literally insane, but I never ended up using them at uni because I was scared that they were going to break, to be honest, in Halls. So fingers crossed I'll be able to fit these on my desk if it's big enough, because they're really cool. You can like tap them and the light changes intensity of the light, so you can have it really dim. And then there's a printer there. I'm going to ask the girls if we're going to need that. I don't think we will, because you get free printing, or like to a certain extent, at the uni. Let's carry on going. I've got a few bath bombs that I never ended up, oh no, I got them for Christmas but I haven't used them yet, so I'm going to take these with us to the new house, because we can have like a little bath and body shelf that we can all help ourselves do. Okay, so it's the following day. The last time I vlogged was yesterday at my nan's. I've just got ready super quick. This morning, me, Aiden and his mum went to donate blood in our hometown.
In my hometown.
Similar situation as to last time if you watched when I donated blood for the first time in March, I think it was. Basically, I'm not really good with my own blood. Like, I don't mind anyone else's, but when I see my own, I like freak out. It's not something I intend on happening, but yeah. So when I got there, I was feeling quite nervous because of obviously my experience last time. And Aiden and Anya were first, so I was sort of like sitting on my own. I was like overthinking everything, which made it a bit worse. When I sat down in the chair to have my blood taken, it was fine. Like, when the needle went in, I was chilled. The needle went in, I was fine. It didn't really hurt that much. It was just sort of like a little prick. And then halfway through, I started feeling a little bit weird because obviously everyone around you it's hard to not concentrate on what's actually going on and distract yourself. And because I didn't have anyone sitting next to me, like Megan was sitting next to me on my last donation, and the whole time we were just talking about random stuff, so my mind was completely off what was going on. Like, the thought of blood leaving my body and being drained is not something that I find therapeutic, so I didn't feel great time. And towards the end, I was like, oh, I'm actually okay, because last time I almost fainted like 3 times. But when they started propping me up again, I was fine until the last like stretch where they propped you back up like vertically, and my head, my vision just goes, and I don't know if it's something that's wrong with my body or wrong with my blood, or I'm not really sure, but I almost fainted again 3 times. On the 3rd time I managed to like actually stand up and go and get something to eat. It's really nice that they actually provide you with like biscuits, crisps, loads of drinks if you are going to donate, because afterwards you can feel so ill. Like I always do. I felt, well, not always, I've only been twice, but I just felt a little bit shit. But as soon as I'd had some stuff to drink and some salty crisps, I was absolutely fine, and I'm feeling great now. And just even if you have a bad experience like donating blood, or you're scared of having a bad experience, like, you just have to sort of put things into perspective. I know it's kind of like a dramatic thing to think about, but I always think if one of my family members really needed blood to like survive or things like that, then surely you'd want people to have donated blood for them to live. So that's how I always think of it. Even if I come back, like, I was thinking, oh god, this is such a ordeal to just get some blood out of my body, but I don't know, I just think it's so worth it. After you've done it, you're like, oh, it's just half an hour out of my day, and you could just be helping someone survive or helping someone live a bit longer, you never know. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting my text back. You can open the car thing now, yeah, sorry. Yeah, I don't know, I just think it's completely worth it, and I definitely recommend signing up if you can, or because obviously I know not everyone can give blood. And I actually have O negative, which is like the rarest blood type, so it is very helpful if you have the same blood as me. I'm not saying I'm special or anything, but it like sort of pushes me even more to go and do it, because only 7% of the population have O negative blood, and you can actually give to...
I'm not sure it's the best blood group. I think it's like AB positive is like the rarest blood group.
Okay, maybe it's not the rarest, Aiden said, but it's the best to have, because I can give my blood to anyone, so no matter what blood type anyone else is, you can use O negative, which is the reason it's the best. Yeah, I just thought I'd have a little bit of a chat to share with you my second experience. Exactly the same as the first time, although less nervous this time because I knew what was going on. I just felt like I needed someone there to distract me. I did play Candy Crush for a bit, which is a bit weird, but yeah, she was like, play on your phone, do something, and then the woman was so lovely. Like, the nurses are all really nice, they try and help distract you. I said, would you mind like talking to me, and she was just asking me questions about uni and stuff to keep my mind off what was going on. And now anyway, I've just got ready super quick. You probably would have seen that little clip. I'm going to do a time lapse of me getting ready, but I just got ready in about 5 minutes. Me, Aiden and Anya, Aiden's mum, are going to watch Mamma Mia 2. Everyone's been raving about it, and I'm finally getting to go and see it. I'm so excited because people are saying it's better than the first one, which is very rare. So let me know your thoughts if you've seen it down below, because obviously I'll have seen it by the time you see this, and we can have a chat about it. I'm sure I'll tell you how I feel afterwards, but yeah, that's where we're going, and I'm so excited for sweet popcorn and a Tango Ice Blast. Are you gonna have some popcorn? So I just thought I'd let you guys know how Mamma Mia was yesterday. I'm sorry I didn't end the vlog, like honestly I've been all over the place at the minute, so I do apologise, but I thought I would say that Mamma Mia was absolutely amazing. Like, it was just such a feel-good film. I know I'm going to be like watching it whenever I feel like down or anxious. I just really enjoyed it. I thought they were all amazing, like everyone apart from Cher. I don't know how I felt about that, but yeah, I just thought the storyline was a lot better than the first one because everything like seemed to flow more and link better in my opinion. But yeah, obviously this is my opinion, please don't hate. I would love to hear what you guys thought of it too if you've seen it yet. I love all of ABBA's songs, so I was just jamming away when me and Aiden's mum were like singing and dancing to it like throughout the whole thing. It was just really fun and feel good, so I definitely recommend it if you do want a bit of a perk up or anything and you're feeling a bit down. Definitely go recommend watching it. I also had a Tango Ice Blast and sweet popcorn, which was amazing. And yeah, I just had a really nice day yesterday. Obviously I felt a bit faint in the morning from my blood donation, but got quite a few things done. And yeah, just had a really nice day. So thank you very much for watching yesterday's vlog. And me sorting out my uni stuff the day before. Make sure to smash a thumbs up if you enjoy, subscribe down below if you're new, and stay tuned because the next vlog you're going to see is a sneak peek of our uni house, because the day I'm filming this right now, me and Megan and Hattie are going up to Lincoln to move some stuff in, so I'm really excited. Bye!